Welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. This video is specifically for those people who says dropshipping is dead, it's not going to work out, it's not going to be something profitable anymore. And for those people who wants to find out what is GCC dropshipping and why GCC dropshipping is so OP, which means overpowered. The main point of this video is for me to tell you guys the exact way that I create stores like these. And how exactly we hit over 40,000 dirhams in some of our stores on the daily basis, and how we hit almost 160,000 dirham through one of our stores in one singular day through the online stores alone. Now this video is going to be something that I would pay for if I was someone who wanted to learn something really valuable. But this video for you guys is 100% free. First and first, the only thing or the bare minimum that I could ask you for is to leave a like and subscribe. Well, if you guys would like to get into the mentorship, which real quick, it's not a course, it's an actual mentorship. The link is in the description. You guys can check it out. And I'm also hosting a live webinar, which you guys can check out both of them. But yeah, if you guys are interested in anything specifically from me to actually learn everything step by step, which what I'm doing right now would be 1% of what I would be teaching you one-on-one, then all you have to do is check out the link in the description. I only accept 2 spots a month. If I had any spots for the upcoming month of April, you guys would be lucky enough to get it. If not, you guys have to wait, unfortunately. But anyways, guys, GCC dropshipping. First thing first, it's the 6 Arab countries, which is UAE, KSA, Qatar, Oman, Kuwait, Bahrain. Yeah, this is the 6 Arab countries or 6 Gulf countries that is kind of united. And why is GCC dropshipping OP? Because it's like dropshipping but back in 2017. The stores here in the GCC compared to USA, it's like out of 10 levels. In USA, the levels are like, 9 and 10. But in the GCC, it's 2 and 3. The stores here, they look awful. The offers, they are dog shit. I'm sorry for saying that, but everything is so bad except the only top 1% like us, which we did $2.3 million in a single year because we are in level 10 of the US, so we're in level 10 of the UAE. So GCC basically is untapped market if you could actually do a few things, which is if you could create your store in the formula that I'm about to give you. So perhaps this is for those people who want to learn the entire process of how does GCC dropshipping even work, how they could take advantage of it. Now, one thing specifically that I'd like to mention is if you guys would like me to make an A to Z course for GCC, if I hit 1k likes on this video, I'll actually go ahead and do it for you guys specifically. But let me teach you guys the method that we use in the GCC that actually makes us stand out. So the first thing is building a brand instead of selling cheap garbage. Instead of building a one-time store, we build a brand, meaning we don't sell garbage products from AliExpress. We actually build something that is long-term, something that could be sold or an exit, which is exactly what most of the people in the GCC do. They try to exit their brands as fast as possible. And the best part is, guys, if you start your brand and if you actually get profitable in the first 3 months, you could actually sell that brand for such a high value because it's rare for people to have a good store in the GCC. That's why you could easily sell your brand and exit your brand quickly. By the way, the method that I use for finding the winning products, which is building a brand, I have posted a video. You guys can check it out on the right side of the channel, I think. The second thing is building your Shopify store with Shrine or Atlas. Now, both of these are in the description, guys. If you want to use Atlas or if you want to use Shrine, both of them are amazing themes or amazing AI store builders. The third thing that we do, which is something that is kind of unheard of, maybe in other countries or perhaps for you, but we actually do a lot of mixing of Google Ads. Most of you guys are sleeping on Google Ads because you guys are lazy. You guys haven't checked out what's newly trending. But Google Ads itself is probably the best method that we could use. After Google Ads, in my personal view, it's TikTok, then it's Facebook. So you use the 3 methods. So Google number 1, TikTok number 2, and Facebook number 3. Why is Facebook number 3? Because what we are selling is kind of a product that, in Facebook is a lot of old people, a lot of people that are outdated. We don't sell to them. We sell to the new generation. We sell for the people who search for the product, and they're usually the ones who buy it from us. The fourth thing for supplier and fulfillment, we only have 1 to 2 days of shipping. If you guys didn't know, in the GCC you must have a quick shipping or a quick fulfillment. If you want to win over your competitors, you must have 1 to 2 days of shipping. And how do you actually do this? You actually do this by having a warehouse or a 3PL. So we actually have a warehouse, or warehouses are filled with our products. It's a good thing for us. And inevitably, of course, at the start, you cannot just have a warehouse. So the best option for you is to use a 3PL or third-party logistic company that could actually fulfill your orders. And there's a huge list of them that's already available on Google that I would want you guys to go and search for yourself and find it for yourself. So you have all of those companies. Recap, quick one, is to find a product that would be built into a brand. Use Shrine or Atlas to build the store, Shopify store. Use Google Ads as the first option, then TikTok, then Facebook. Fourth, 1 to 2 days of shipping as a must, meaning that you have to have the stock before selling the product. At the testing point, we don't really have the product, but after the testing point, we usually get the stock and the product and then sell that product to the customers. And number 5, scaling. Now, how do you scale to these millions of numbers that you see me or other people have? It is by having a promise. Now, what you guys have seen is selling cheap junk, scamming people, 15 to 30 days of shipping. But once you have a promise to the customer and you withhold that promise, 1 to 2 days of shipping all over the GCC, having the promise of a complete refund if you don't like the product at all, even if it has any issues, of having the promise of being a brand that no one can easily copy. In every 10K store, you're one store that is completely different than all of these people. Now, I know this might be a little bit confusing. That's why I said hit 1K likes on this video and I'll make the complete tutorial of finding the product, using Shrine and Atlas, doing Google Ads, doing the shipping and the warehousing and the 3PL logistics, building the store, doing the marketing, everything that I just talked about. And all I want you guys to do is let me know if you guys want it or not. And this is probably why GCC Dropshipping is so OP, overpowered. The last thing that I would like to mention is every trending product that used to be sold in USA is now being sold in Dubai. Perhaps the product that turned into a brand. And what I mean by that is that there's always a delay in products coming to the GCC countries than US, Europe, and all of those countries, because even 12-year-olds in US and Europe does dropshipping, but in UAE or in the GCC, not everyone does dropshipping. It's not as famous as it is in other countries. So that's why competition is low. And when you want to sell a product, all you have to do is do a quick research, kind of USA or Europe dropshipping, and boom, you have your winner that you could sell in the GCC. That, ladies and gentlemen, an exact guide through for GCC dropshipping and why GCC dropshipping is so OP or overpowered. If you guys would like to get the A to Z tutorial, leave 1K likes. My mentorship is in the description. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, inshallah.